Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have this question: find the unit digit of 7 raised to power 100 plus 3 raised to power 100, right? So whenever you see like big numbers, big exponents, don't get confused. How? Like when you have, I will tell you a very easy trick. You need to find the unit digit of 7 raised to power 100. Okay? Always see what will be the unit digit of 7 raised to power 1. That will be 7 only. And if you find 7 square, what will be the unit digit? 7 square is 49. So unit digit is 9. Right? What is the unit digit of 7 cube? 7 cube is 343. So unit digit is 3. And then when you do 7 raised to power 4, you will again multiply it with 7 and you will get 1. So whenever you see that you are getting unit digit 1, you just stop there, right? Now 7 raised to power unit digit is 1. What do we have in power? 100. And that is good that 100 is a multiple of what? 4, right? So this can be written as 7 raised to power 4 can be written as 7 raised to power 4 raised to power 25 is equal to 1 raised to power 25. If I take power 25 on both sides, right? This will become 7 raised to power 100 and 1 raised to power 25 is 1 only. So unit digit of 7 raised to power 100 is 1. So you found the unit digit of this term and that is 1. Now similarly, I will find unit digit of 3 raised to power 100. What is 3 raised to power 1? That is 3. If you see 3 raised to power 2, that is 9. 3 raised to power 3 is 27. But we do not need to write 27. We just need to write unit digit, right? What is 3 raised to power 4? That is 81. So unit digit is 1. Now finally you got the unit digit 1. Whenever you get the unit digit 1 and then you see your number is 100. If it was 101, then what would you do? You will take 25 here and then would write another 1, another 3 here, right? But fortunately we have 100 here, so we do not need to do such thing. We just need to do 1 raised to power 25 and 3 raised to power 100 is equal to 1. So that means unit digit of 3 raised to power 100 is equal to 1. So here as well you got unit digit. But you need to find out the unit digit of this sum. So 1 plus 1, you will get unit digit 1 here and 1 here. So in answer, your unit digit of this sum is what? 2. Right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, if you want to watch, you visit my channel, you will find like complete packages as well on some topics. And if you want to solve, if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.